It's almost too hot not to have watermelon. What's the wiener supposed to do to let you know that the watermelon's ripe? That's somewhat. This may take a while, but it's worth it. Oh, I got hot dog juice in my eye. Oh! I'm mood to eat a hot dog. The watermelon's gonna go, the wiener's going with it. Are you ripe? Oh, no. That's the last rubber band I had. Do you want to open it, Bob? No, I'm still doing paperwork. I'm gonna be back here, Bob. Open it. No, Bob. Bob, are you peeing?
You know, I've seen this done a couple of times on a couple of different videos, and I'm not quite sure this is real, and I just want to see what's up. Ooh.